Hey everyone, and welcome back to the C++ full course. In the last video, we learned about powerful STL algorithms like sort, count, and find. But have you ever wondered how these algorithms access the elements inside a vector or list? The answer is iterators, and that's exactly what we'll explore today. Think of an iterator as a pointer that helps you move through the elements of a container. They allow STL algorithms to work with different types of containers like vectors, lists, sets or maps without worrying about their internal structure. So the syntax declares here an iterator for a vector of integers. Numbers.begin function points to the first element and numbers.end function points past to the last element. Star it dereferences the iterator to get the value. In modern C++, instead of writing the long vector int scope resolution operator iterator, we can just use auto. It automatically detects the type. For example, in the for loop here, auto saves time and makes your code cleaner. Works perfectly with all STL containers. Let's use iterators with a few other STL containers like list and map. Works the same as with vectors, but list uses bidirectional iterators, meaning we can move forward and backward. For maps we use it then arrow first for key and it arrow second for value. Iterators make it easy to access both key value pairs. C++ has different types of iterators based on what operations they support. These are automatically handled by STL containers. You just use begin function and end function. There are also special iterator functions like rbegin, rend, cbegin, and cend. Let's see how they work. So here we created a vector called nums and then we reversed the order. So rbegin and rend reverse iterators, cbegin and cend constant iterators, that is read only. Let's run this program and see the output. So we got the reverse order and constant iterator. Let's make a small project that uses iterators to display and modify a map of student marks. Let's include our iOS stream and map header and then write using namespace std. Inside the main, we will create a map called marks. So let's first print the original marks and then we are going to increase all marks by 5 using the iterator and then print the updated marks. So we will increase the marks in the value, not in the key, and hence I wrote it arrow and then second and then increase the marks by 5. Let's print the updated value. I'll just copy this code. Let's print to the screen. Originally the marks were these and then we updated them. So in this program we used iterators to access and update each key value pair. Iterators make it easy to traverse containers like maps and modify values directly. And that's a wrap on iterators in C++ STL. Today we learned how iterators work, how to use them with different containers, and build a small map project using them. In the next video, we'll explore lambda expressions in C++, a modern feature that makes your code even cleaner and smarter. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this playlist with your coding buddies. See you in the next one.